Are you feeling overwhelmed, drowning in tasks? Well, good news for you. 2025 is your year to reclaim control. Hello everyone, this is Vitus DK, and I'm here to help you unlock your productivity potential in just a few minutes. I've spent over 20 years honing my skills at top financial, medical, and academic institutions like UWM, JP Morgan Chase, Alamo Colleges, University of Colorado, Bank of Hawaii, Hawaii Pacific University, training teams and individuals to maximize efficiency. So, if you're tired of wasting time, let's ditch the chaos and dominate your day with these essential tech tools. In this video, we're exploring the power of productivity with a series of 90-second masterclasses. Let's start with Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and LibreOffice. Welcome to the first video on getting it done with Vitus DK. We can leverage IT to get a lot done using productivity and collaboration solutions. Major IT companies have designed a suite of tools that actually improve personal efficiency, they streamline home and business tasks. They also enhance teamwork and reduce cost. Whether you're a small business or a large organization, or even an individual, you can choose a platform that best aligns with your needs and your budget. For instance, Microsoft 365 offers robust feature sets with deep integration to Microsoft products, while Google Workspace provides a cloud-based solution with powerful collaboration tools. But LibreOffice is a free and open source alternative with a similar feature set. These suites together provide a range of essential tools including word processing for documents, spreadsheets for data, presentations for slides, emails for communication, calendars for scheduling, cloud storage to share and access files from anywhere, and so on. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, let's master the art of written communication with word processors. Welcome to the second video on getting it done with Vitus DK. Word processing software are used to write essays, reports, letters, and other context. Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and LibreOffice Writer are software in productivity suites that actually create, edit, and format text documents. They have advanced features including formatting options, styles, templates, and collaboration tools. The best choice for you and your organization or business will depend on your specific needs, your preference, and the budget. If you focus on deep integration with Microsoft or Google, cloud-based with access on any device with internet connections, or free and compatible open source alternatives. Word and text documents can be accessed online, on a browser, possibly by signing in on a desktop, or with an app launcher on a mobile device. They can be created from blank slates or templates, opened, saved, and shared, and also you can navigate to any of them. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Vitus DK. You already know. Next, it's time to turn data into actionable insights with spreadsheets. Welcome to the third video on getting it done, spreadsheets with Vitus DK. Spreadsheets are software used to create budgets, track expenses, manage inventory, perform calculations, and many other things. Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice Calc are software found in productivity suites that help you organize, analyze, manipulate, and do a lot more with data efficiently in rows and columns. Their features include formulas, functions, charts, tables, pivot tables, and more. While Microsoft Excel seamlessly integrates with Microsoft 365 products, Google Sheets has many of the same features, and they both allow real-time collaboration. They also allow access from any device with an internet connection, which is usually synchronized with your email. Both of these, Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, are subscription-based services, but LibreOffice Calc works with multiple file formats and is completely free to download and use online or offline. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Vitus DK. You already know. Alright, proceed to captivate your audience with impactful visuals using presentations. Welcome to the fourth video on Getting It Done, presentations with Vitus DK. Presentation software are typically used to design and create slideshows that can be used for presentations, lectures, tutorials, and more. These programs typically allow users to combine text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements into a series of slides that can be displayed on a screen. The key features include slide creation, templates, design tools, animation, note-taking, and other collaboration tools. Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the most widely used options, and it is extensive in terms of the integration with Microsoft products. Google Slides, which is cloud-based, can also enhance real-time collaboration and offline editing. OpenOffice Impress or LibreOffice Impress is a free and open source alternative that offers many of the same features as the commercial software. Remember to keep it simple, use visuals, practice, and engage your audience. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Vitus DK. You already know. Finally, work smarter, not harder, with seamless teamwork, leveraging collaboration tools. Welcome to the fifth video on Getting It Done, collaboration tools with Vitus DK. Both Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace have software that enables users to easily collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. For email and calendars, Microsoft Outlook and Outlook Calendar are known for their robust features and advanced customization options, including easy scheduling and management of meetings and appointments. While Google uses Gmail and Google Calendar with intuitive and clean interfaces, coupled with powerful search capabilities to offer real-time collaboration and integration with other apps. In addition, Microsoft Teams provides a comprehensive platform for chats, video conferencing, file sharing, and more, while Google Chat offers messaging and file sharing, but Google Meet is dedicated to video conferencing. Cloud storage services, namely OneDrive and Google Drive, allow for saving, tracking, and easy file sharing and collaboration. Other software for note-taking, task, and project management like OneNote for Microsoft, Keep from Google, and more also enhance collaboration. LibreOffice, on the other hand, does not have dedicated collaboration tools and uses open source and free tools available. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Vitus DK. You already know. There you have it. By implementing these productivity hacks, you'll gain valuable time, reduce stress, and achieve your goals faster. Whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, these tools will empower you to thrive in 2025. Ready to unlock your full potential and take your productivity to the next level? Subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights and exclusive tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. Let's make 2025 your most valuable and productive year yet. Thank you for watching this video. You already know.